Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Lala. Today I'm gonna show you how easy to make banana cereal. Do you know how to do it? Don't know. Come, let me teach you. Come, let's start. We only need 4 ingredients, right, Meme?
Yes.
Banana, melted chocolate, cereal, and
Bamboo stick.
that's it. I'm opening up.
It's so exciting.
Let's take 1 banana and 1 bamboo stick.
Pop inside.
Yeah, put inside. After that, dip the chocolate. Do the same. You know how?
Take a banana.
Yes, take this. This is more easier. What's more? And dip the chocolate. Okay? Like putting marshmallow. Nice. Next step. What's that? Now our banana cereal is ready. Is it easy?
Yes.
Come, let's try our banana cereal. I'll take this. Yummy.
Yummy.
Next time you can try it by your own. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and bye!
Bye.